YouTube, this is your boy Shib is back in another video of most craziest haircut transformation for you. If you are looking for some satisfying haircut transformation, I think this video is exactly uploaded for you. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and enjoy. And here, as you can see, this guy got perfect mid fade, and that was literally flawless transformation. We have another barber masterpiece right here. Look at this one. That guy got perfect low mid fade, and that was literally flawless transformation. Wow, that's perfect. Oh, yes, sir, you got perfect beard trimmed and got some perfect low fade, and that looks pretty handsome. Yeah, I will mention that barber in my description box. Oh my god. Just look at this one. The crispiest one. That's how barber can save your life. Actually, these barbers are just saving lives. They are not doing haircut. That's the power of haircut. The way people just come in, the way people go out, that barber makes very big difference. Look at this one. That's perfect. Wow, that's sharp. Yeah, you got saved, bro. Wow, that's sharp. The perfect low fade with chip up line, and that C cup is looking pretty handsome. Washing his beard, and yeah. Wow, that fella got saved. That's sharp. And he got some patch on their beard, and let's see what's gonna happen. Oh my god. That's crispy. That was a magical haircut and beard transformation. There's no patch anymore. We got another case and the guy got large spot on their forehead. Here is the final product. There is no hairline pushback. It's all natural. That guy is so shy. Yeah, that's flawless transformation. We got huge wolf chops, and this is gonna be a huge transformation. And look at this one. That was literally flawless transformation. Okay. I think we are repeating this haircut. Yeah, I think it's worth it to repeat that haircut because that was literally flawless transformation. Yes, sir. Perfect high mid fade. There is no shake up, but yeah, still it's look good. He got some crispy haircut, and we are at end of this video, and that was, I think, a last haircut transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy haircut transformation. Guys, thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get updated for our upcoming upload.